All right, boys and girls, it's Miss Rickman here to do part 2 of our CGI math lesson today. In part 1, we did a subtraction problem where Julie had 9 birds and 7 of them flew away, and she had 2 left. So we have 9 minus 7 equals 2. So now we're going to do the second problem, and we need to listen for keywords to see if we need to add or subtract. I will read the problem to you, or you can read it along with me if you can see it, or if you can read it with me. If not, just listen and think about whether you're going to add or subtract. There's some keywords that will tell you if you're going to add or subtract. All right, here we go. Listen. Tom has 2 toys. Julia has 6 toys. How many toys do they have all together? All right, so there's a really big key word there that tells us if we're going to add or subtract. So who knows what it is? Yes, it's all together. When you put them all together, we're adding them together. So we need to add, which is what symbol? A plus sign, that's right. It looks like a lowercase t. All right, so we can start by drawing the toys. We don't have time to draw toys, so the easiest thing to draw are some circles. So we're going to draw Tom's toys over here. Tom has 2 toys, so we're going to do Tom's over here, which is 1, 2. Julia has 6 toys, so I'm going to draw Julia's over here so we don't get them mixed up with Tom's. So Julia has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toys. So over here we have Tom's and over here we have Julia's, so we don't get them mixed up. If you're using counters, you can put 2 over here for Tom, 1, 2, and 6 for Julia, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so then we want to know how many do they have all together. So what I tell my kids, when it's all together, we put a big circle around all of them. And then we don't just guess, we have to count how many do they have all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many do they have all together? 8. Awesome. All right, now if we want to write that equation, we'll do that down here at the bottom of our paper. We start with how many toys Tom has. How many did he have? 2, right? And then Julia has 6 toys, so we're adding them together. So the adding symbol is a plus sign, which is a lowercase t. And how many did Julia have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6. And then what's the next symbol that we need? That's right. Equals. 2 plus 6 equals how many do they have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S and close the gate. That's the way we make an 8. So let's read that equation together. Ready? 2 plus 6 equals 8. Great job. All right, so we did a subtraction problem at the top and an addition problem at the bottom. You can do more problems with Mom and Dad. They can make up problems for you. We add and subtract to 10. We usually don't go higher than 10, but if you feel like you could be challenged and go up to 20, you could try that. But Mom and Dad can make up some problems with you, and you can solve them, and they can let you know if you got them right or not, or they can help you figure it out. So this is a great way to practice your CGI. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil and some counters, and you can practice your CGI at home with Mom and Dad. So we'll see you again tomorrow on YouTube. I'm doing writing lessons and more math lessons, and you can watch Miss Cullens do some reading and writing lessons, and you can also see Mr. Love and Miss Wick and Miss Franks do music lessons, and it's lots of fun. So tune in. Bye.